Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Surncest Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the extender into a wall outlet close to your router. Turn the extender on if it has a power switch. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes solid. The extender is now ready for setup. In this video, I will show you how to set up the DHMXDC wireless N 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button method. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signals or internet dead zones in your home or office, this extender can help boost your existing Wi-Fi network and improve coverage. I will explain each and every step in detail so you can easily connect the DHMXDC Wi-Fi extender to your router without using complicated settings. So let's start the setup process. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Surncest extender. The WPS LED or signal LED will begin flashing. The extender will now communicate with the router. This process usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. During pairing, LEDs may blink several times. Do not unplug the extender. Do not press any buttons. When the setup finishes, the signal LED becomes solid. The Wi-Fi LED stays on. The WPS light stops blinking. This indicates the extender has successfully connected to your router. After successful setup, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.